What's going on, guys? So we got a single motor Vte2. Stop, read, zero it out, truck start. That's gonna be first run for this season. Pretty excited. Let's see here. Let me just fix my battery here a second. All right, that's better. Alright guys, get her down there and turn around, see if I can make a run with it. So this is a single motor car. I put one of my dual motor bodies on it, but I ended up putting a new chassis under this thing. Let's see if we can make a run here. All right. Gotta turn the brakes up a tiny bit on that car, but that was a good run. I also got the perfect pass car out, which I'm really excited to try to make a run in a little bit with that too. I just spent a few minutes dialing the steering in with that car, so it should be ready to go. Honestly, I might put it at like an 80% output or something, but we'll see. I might run a couple other cars and kind of shake my nerves out. But that felt like a pretty nice pass, so pretty happy with that. It is pulling on me a little bit, but when it was driving, it was pretty straight. So I don't know, I'll look this one over. All right. Let's see what she did. Stop. All right, 173. So it's pretty nice for first run on this car. First run of the season. So it's a single 58 millimeter TP. So there we go, 170.